Imagine the aroma of a mouth-watering meatloaf wafting through your home, a dish so delectable that it not only satisfies your carnivorous cravings, but also packs a nutrient-dense punch. Intrigued? Then brace yourselves for a carnivore's delight. A simple yet flavorful carnivore meatloaf recipe. To whip up this culinary masterpiece, you would need 2 pounds of ground beef, preferably grass-fed for superior nutrient content. Add to it a half cup of bone broth, either homemade or store-bought, ensuring it's free from additives. You will also need 2 to 3 eggs, half a cup of finely chopped bacon or pork belly, and for those who can tolerate it, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion and 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and if your carnivore preferences allow, you can also include herbs and spices like rosemary, thyme, or paprika. Kick off the cooking process by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. While the oven heats up, blend together the ground beef, bone broth, eggs, chopped bacon or pork belly, chopped onion, minced garlic, salt, pepper, and optional herbs or spices in a large mixing bowl. The bone broth will ensure the meatloaf stays moist and adds an extra nutrient boost. Once everything is well combined, transfer the meat mixture to a baking dish or a loaf pan and shape it into a loaf. Once your oven is ready, bake the meatloaf for about 45 to 60 minutes. The aim is to achieve an internal temperature of at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring the ground beef is fully cooked. After baking, let the meatloaf rest for a few minutes before slicing. This step allows the juices to redistribute, making slicing a breeze. Serve slices of the meatloaf with your favorite carnivore-friendly side dishes. Roasted or grilled meats, eggs, or a simple bone broth-based soup are excellent choices. Remember, this recipe is flexible. Feel free to customize it according to your preferences. You could add other meats like ground pork or lamb for variety, adjust seasoning to taste, or incorporate different fats like tallow or lard. Always aim for high-quality, organic, and pasture-raised meat and animal products to maximize nutrient content. Leftovers can be refrigerated for a few days or frozen for longer storage. This carnivore meatloaf recipe provides a balance of protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients, making it a satisfying and nourishing meal for those following a carnivore diet. So go ahead, indulge in this nutrient-dense meatloaf and relish every single bite.